Surely everyone likes to eat noodles, but do you know how noodles are made in the factory? Well, the process begins with raw materials such as all-purpose flour, salt, oil and water. After mixing the ingredients, the thin sheet is made from it. Then, rollers cut the sheet into the shape of the noodles. Here, noodles are sent to the steamer machine via conveyor belt. At this stage, soft noodles are divided and set into the mould for the frying process. Now, the noodles are 80% fried before packaging. In the end, experts collect and box pack the noodles. In another part of the factory, spices are sieved to remove dirt. After sieving, the different spices are mixed together to create the perfect mixture. Then the spices are packed in small poly bags. Once the spices are packed, the noodles are sent for packaging. Finally, spice bags and noodles are packed together in a pouch. In the end, these boxes are stored in the warehouse. Contact us if you would like to feature your factory on Unbox Factory.